Thank you for joining us here. Top focus, a standoff between the Mamata government and doctors demanding justice in the RG Kar horror continues even after a month after the horrific crime. Last night, the agitating junior doctors staged an overnight protest outside Swasthya Bhavan building in Kolkata, demanding justice in the horrific rape and murder case. Meanwhile, junior doctors of the AIIMS Resident Doctors Association will be holding a peaceful protest march today from the Jawaharlal Nehru Auditorium in New Delhi, seeking justice in the matter. Not just this, the Federation of Resident Doctors Association has also announced that it is exploring possibilities of further intensifying the doctors' agitation across India in solidarity with its counterparts in Bengal. Now, as the protest continues over the RG Kar horror, the family of the victim once expressed their dissatisfaction with the Bengal government. The father of the victim has once again questioned the role of Mamata Banerjee in the case and claimed that the Bengal CM has so far not done anything concrete in the case. Let's listen in.
नहीं संतुष्ट होने से तो हम सीबीआई के पास नहीं जाते थे ना। ये तो बोलने का बात ही नहीं है। खापा नहीं है उन्होंने कोई काम आगे नहीं बढ़ाया। जैसे उन्होंने 3 दिन के बाद पुलिस का आदमी हमारा पास गया था, उन्होंने एक संजय राय को खड़ा करके बोल रहा था ये हम पकड़ लिया, सब काम खत्म हो गया, हम फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में उठा देगा और उसको फांसी दिला देगा। यही इसलिए तो हमको, लेकिन मेरा लड़की का साथ जो घटना घटी है, एक आदमी का कोई संभव नहीं था और हम पहले से बोल रहा है डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी इसका अंदर युक्त है। हमको तो लगता है कोई दुर्गा पूजा इस साल नहीं करेगा तो भी वो मन वैसे खोला मन से नहीं करेगा। उनका मन में हमारा लड़की का विचार, वो हमारा लड़की को अभी पश्चिम बंगाल और सारा देश का अपना लड़की समझ रहा है।
Shreya Mondal, my colleague, joins me for more. Shreya, good morning. Given what we're essentially looking at with the protests intensifying is one aspect, of course, you're going to take us to the latest from ground zero. But having said that, we also heard what the victim's father had to say. Considering what we've looked at essentially in the investigation so far, if you could help us draw overall perspective on where things stand at the moment.
Well, of course, we have heard the victim's father. Remember, this is the very place in front of Shastra Bhavan where the victim's father had visited around 12 in the night last day. And after visiting the protesting doctors, who are protesting here, the victim's father have said that he extends the support to the junior doctors. And as you can see, the agitation clearly continues over here. We see that the doctors are here who are protesting. You can see that, a lot of angry faces on the ground. They are singing in protest. They're raising slogans. And remember, last evening, olive branch was extended by the state government to these protesting doctors. But clearly, these doctors, they are saying that they will not stop the strike. They will not stop the protest until and unless the demands are met. Remember, after the health secretary have mailed to these junior doctors yesterday, another communication, another mail was sent to the health secretary by these junior doctors. They have said that they're open for communication, but they want the mail to come from a registered mail ID from the higher authority and not from the principal health secretary, because remember, that is the very person whose resignation these junior doctors are asking for. Let me try to go across quickly to these junior doctors and understand, what they have to say. Let me try to speak to them, what they have to say at this point in time. Tell me one thing, we see that olive branch was extended from the state government yesterday, but you guys are refuting to the claims. How do you react to that? Okay, so they're not ready to comment at this point in time, but we have been talking to the protesters here. You can see how they're seeking for justice, and they are sitting here. And remember, what is very important is that they're saying that at this point in time, they will keep the protest on for indefinite period of time until and unless all the demands are met.
Right, Shreya. Thank you very much for joining us from